Welcome to the Wind Power Simulation. In this simulation, you'll design and test wind turbines to find the most efficient design to capture wind energy and convert it into electricity. To start the simulation, click the Make Turbine button. A box appears and asks you to select the number of turbines. You can type in 1, 2, or 3. Here I wanted to make 2 turbines, so I typed in the number 2 in the box. Notice in the turbines box that the number 1 appears. This indicates that I'm designing the first turbine. The tower height in meters can be any whole number between 100 and 120. Here I clicked in the number entry space and typed in 110 for my tower height. Next, blade length can be any whole number between 40 and 60. I chose 50 as my blade length by typing 50 into the space. Now I'm ready to design my second wind turbine. Remember that I decided earlier to build and test 2 turbines. To make turbine 2, click the tab on the turbine entry that currently shows 1. A drop-down menu appears with 1 and 2. Select 2 and repeat the earlier process to create the second turbine. After completing the design of turbine number 2, click the Submit button. The display returns to the opening screen showing the 2 turbines just created. Click the Start button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to start the turbine testing process. The turbines will run for 1 month. After 1 month, the turbines will stop turning. Click on the Energy Generated and Money Saved buttons to see the effectiveness of the turbines. Click the Close button to return to the main screen of the simulation. The time of the year can also be tested to determine if some months are more optimal for collecting wind energy. The simulation always begins testing the turbines in January. Click the drop-down tab under the calendar to change the current month. Click on whichever month you want to test. It's always a good idea to hold other variables constant and only change one variable at a time. For this reason, the same 2 turbines will be tested during various months.